Your adjustable bearing pins right here. You see where it's flush on one side and you have the adjustment on the other. When you turn the bearing pin, that adjusts your bearing in and out on your V-groove. When this is pressed on here, you turn this adjusts your bearing in and out, like that. You adjust that with a 3/16 T-handle and a 3/4 inch ratchet. Now it's got to have a hole in it. If you don't have one like this, you get a 3/4 inch spark plug socket, and it does the same thing because you can put your T-handle through it. This machine has been loosened up so I can adjust it. So it shows a loose machine, how easily it turns. To adjust the machine, basically find out how much movement in you got, or just tighten it up. First you'll break loose the nut, and you'll turn it to the left, take half your movement out of it. And you tighten it back up, snug it back up. Turn it 180 degrees. Here you'll break the nut loose, snug it up where you feel the bearing touching on your V-groove, snug it back up. And right here we'll set our indicator here at 0. Turn it 180 degrees. And right there we're dead on the money. Basically 1/1000 between nothing there. Now we're starting right here where your tooling will be cutting at, because that's the most important part right here. The rest of it doesn't matter as much, but this is what you mainly want to indicate in. The rest of it would be snugging the machine up and getting it closer from side to side. From there, 180 degrees apart, sometimes you may need to go back to your original, especially on bigger machines. Break it loose, and make sure you got a little, you touching properly there. Make sure your bearing touching in your V-groove. Go back, check it again. You want to look to get within 5 if possible here. From there, you go 180 degrees directly across, whether you're starting on the sides or your 45s, and you always want to adjust directly across. I'll adjust this one here. I'll go back and adjust that one. Right here. We'll start right here. Break it loose. Turn it to the left. Touch your bearing up. You can feel your bearing touching. Snug it down. Go 180 degrees across. Do the same thing. Break your nut loose. Turn it to the left till you feel it touch. Snug it back down. There. Then we'll go 45 this way. Break the nut loose. Turn it to the left till it touches. Snug it down. 45 this way. 180 degrees across. Break it loose. Turn it to the left to touch up on your V-groove. Bearing on your V-groove, snug it down. Right now you've already got resistance in the machine. You feel the bearings rolling, it's not running free anymore. From there, go to the sides, these two directly across, touch those up. And then you'll touch these two up here, and you'll come back and fill these in directly across from each other. Here, there. If the machine gets too tight on you, you may have to go back, find out which bearing is too tight, maybe break it loose, and do a final adjustment on it. At the very end, what you will do is go back and make sure all your nuts are snug. Go around the whole machine to make sure your nuts are snug on there. That's basically what there is to indicating a machine in.